Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to sort a given array in terms of like this. So the 0 should be on the left hand side and 1 should be on the right hand side. So it's about sorting guys, not like you are printing the zeros on the left hand side, after that you will print the ones. So that is not allowed. You need to modify whatever the array is given, you need to modify the same array and you need to store it on the same. So a lot of people think like, okay, so I'll just print the zeros on the left hand side. In the sense, I will first print the zeros, after that I'm going to print the ones, so that will be done. But no, that is not a true case. So for example, let us say array1 equal to something like this is given for you. I'll just explain you what is the input output criteria for this one. So like 1, after that 0, 1, then 0, then 0, then 1. Okay, so this is just a comment guys. Like this it is given. So this is the input whatever they will be giving. Okay, so this is the input which they have given, and you need to write like the array1 should be converted to this form now. So the output should be, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros should be on the left hand side of the array. After that 4 ones should be like this. So this should be the output guys, and you can see the actual array has been changed here. Okay, so this is the requirement, and I hope you understood what is the actual requirement of the code. And once you understand that, now I'll just show you two methods guys. Okay, so first I will show you the easiest method, but I know this will not be permitted whenever you are attending the interview, or else if you are writing any exam. So what you can do is basically guys, let me just take one array first. So I'm taking an array of integer type. So int, and its name I will take it as same again, array1, and the same elements I will take 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, after that 0, 0 and 1. So these are the elements of array. Now I want all the zeros to the left hand side and all the ones on the right hand side. Then I can do one thing like this is just like sorting the array in ascending order. So that I can do easily. So use built-in method, that is in Java arrays dot, and you can see sort. Arrays dot sort, if you write, let me just, okay, arrays and dot sort you have to write. Okay, so arrays dot sort, if you write, it will ask for the array which need to be sorted. So that's array1. I want to sort array1. So this line will actually sort the array1 and store it back in the array1 itself. So this is the built-in method present inside. So arrays is a class, and inside that there is a method called sort, which is instance method, and it takes argument. So that is array1 as the argument. So now if I want to see the contents of array1, I can use for each loop that directly iterates on the elements we know. So for int I will write array1, and here I will just write like this, sys out, and I will write I plus and some space in order to separate the elements. So if I save and run this code, okay, so they are vertically here because ln was there, so I'll just remove that ln, and now you can see first 3 zeros have been printed, and after that 4 ones have been printed. So this is one of the method guys. You can follow this if you want. Otherwise I will tell you the standard way, like we don't want to do those things, you know. So this will be not allowed in most of the cases, like you are using direct method but you need to write your own logic. So I'll just comment out these lines. So I have commented these things, and now it will obviously show me an error. Okay, so let me just uncomment this one, just this line. Okay, now it will be fine. So now what I will do, so basically what happens guys, what I will be doing is basically I will use the bubble sort technique, but the thing here, whatever modification I will be doing is, I will take the first element, after that I will compare with the second element. If first element is greater than second element, then I will swap the position of these two elements. After that, again I will take the same first element, again compare with the third element, then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I will just swap. After that I will be incremented, it will point to the second element. After that it will compare, and I will start comparing from the next element. So whatever the present element is there, I will take the next element of that one and I will start comparing. If the first element is greater than the second element, I will just swap, so that at the end of this for loop, all the all the small elements will be coming on the left hand side, and all the bigger elements will be moving on the right hand side. So this is just like writing a bubble sort algorithm. So let me just code it, guys. So I can take like this: for int let us say I equal to 0, and I should be less than array1 dot length. And here you should note that not only length minus 1 you have to take, because whenever you are trying to access this element, you are comparing with this one. So whenever I write next condition, you will understand. So like this you have to take. After that, I will take for int j is equal to 0. Sorry, so here it is important. I should start from the next element of this I. So j should be I plus 1. That is the next element of I. And j should be less than array1 dot length, and j plus plus I will write. Okay, fine. So now I will use on if condition. If array1 of I is greater than array1 of j, that is first element is greater than second element, then I need to swap, because I want in the ascending order. So what I will do, I will use one temp variable. So I can say int temp equal to, I will copy first the so I want to assign second element to the first one. Okay, so I will copy first element now. So array1 of I, this is the first element, guys. I will copy into a temporary variable. Now array1 of I, that I will assign to array1 of j, that is second element is moved to the first position, and now second position is filled with whatever the temp value just now I have copied. So this is it, guys. So you can see already I have written the method, that is for each loop to print the element. So this should work fine. If it doesn't work, we will see what is the problem. But yes, it works. So 0 0 0 1 1 1. Let me just change something over here. So like I will give 0, then 1, then 1, then 0, then 0, then 1. So like this, I will just change something like this. Let me just show. You can see 0 0 0 0 0, then 1 1 1 1 1. So this is working fine, guys. There are two methods which you can follow. So the first one says that either you can use direct sort method, or else you can go with this second method. I mean this one. Okay, so this is the I will say method 2. So this is method 2, guys, basically. Okay, so this is it, guys, and if you want this source code, then I will be leaving it in the description. So this will be our official website, guys. You can just official website, you can just click on that one and you can download that one. Okay, so you can copy from that one directly, and for more such interesting problems, just subscribe the channel, because we will be uploading this type of interview type of questions which will be asked regularly in any MNC interviews day to day. So that will be helpful for you, and it will be a great help for me as well if you leave a thumb and write some lines for me as well. So I was by teaching, and it might have helped you a little. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.